Hello everyone, this is Zach Arendsee from the Arendsee Team. Along with my wife, Alhanna, we are your Seattle-Tacoma real estate agents, and I've got something exciting for you today. This is something I'm excited about anyway. We are in Sunrise outside of Puyallup, and we're currently standing outside a community called The Pines, built by Century. And this community is brand new. It's so new that the model homes are not even completed yet. However, we're going to go walk through one of them anyway. And the reason we're walking through this home that's still under construction, as you'll see, is that I'm pretty excited about the floor plan. This is a multi-generational floor plan built from the ground up with the multi-generational aspect built into the flow of the floor plan. That's pretty cool. You don't see that very often. Usually if you're going to find a home that's built for multi-generational living, it's because somebody's added it on. It's an addition, it's a remodel, it may or may not flow, and it may or may not, make a lot of sense from the ground up. So I'm excited about this. We're going to take a look, and if you're new to my channel, if you're new to our channel, please reach out, like, subscribe, let us know that you appreciate what we're doing. We'll create some more of it. And as always, feel free to reach out. You can call us, you can text us directly. You'll get either myself or Alhanna on the line directly, and we'd be happy to show you around and get you on the inside track to home ownership. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head over there. We're gonna walk through the house, and bear in mind, this is an active construction site, so you're going to see some of that, and that's okay. But we will be coming back when the house is completed, and you're going to see it fully staged, fully furnished in all of its beauty, and I hope you'll come back to see that in April. By the way, you can't even buy this house yet, so it's not even on the market, and when it does come on the market, it will be a pre-sale, and we'll let you know. But go ahead and reach out to us if you'd like to be in the know and be ready when the house is. All right, let's head over there. All right, so here we are in front of the Garrett plan by Century, and I wasn't lying when I said it was under construction. This is definitely a work in progress. It's an active construction site at the moment. You're gonna see workers actually in the house. And this is a 3,283 square foot plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 3-car garage. But as I was saying, the most unique thing about this floor plan is the multi-generational living arrangement. It's really cool. You're gonna see this as we go throughout the house. You'll see the ADU, the multi-generational part, is just off to our right at the moment. We'll get in there in a few moments. And if that's a setup that is something that would work well for your family, for your living arrangements, this is a really cool, unique plan for you, and I hope you'll reach out to us and start that conversation now. It's definitely not too early, even though, as I said, we're getting a sneak peek in this house real early. It's not ready yet. You can't buy this yet, even if you wanted to, but it's not too early to get prepared. As you undoubtedly know, this is a difficult market right now for buyers. That doesn't mean you don't have a chance, but it does help to be prepared. There are things we can start right now with your getting approved for a loan and getting full underwriting done. Ask us what that means. That's an important step that you can take now in order to be extremely competitive even against cash offers. So go ahead and give us a call now. Get us in your corner. We'd love to be there to support you, to help you, to be on your side, to be your the pillar you can lean on to remove the stress. I know it's difficult to be in this position, in this market, trying to buy a home with this limited inventory. All right, so as you can see, there's the garage. We're not gonna go in there. They're actually busy right now. And this is the part I keep talking about. Right here, we walk through this door and we are in the additional living space. They've got their own doors to the exterior, both that one just there and one in the back. Right here is going to be a small kitchen. and of course their own bathroom, bedroom, the whole setup back here. Alright, well, I'm going to shut up now and put on some music. Just go ahead and enjoy the rest of the walkthrough. All right, well, that wraps up our tour of the lovely Garrett plan and its multi-generational setup. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Zach Arendsee with the Arendsee Team and eXp Realty, and as always, if you like what we're doing, I hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel, encourage us to make some more content, and reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you anytime.